I move over to talking about the DISCOMs. DISCOMs today are facing unprecedented cash flow problems. They desperately need help. Otherwise, they are unable to pay the power generating companies. You know, all the states, DISCOMs are in serious crisis. So in order to help them, there is a emergency liquidity injection, which is happening to the extent of 90,000 crores. Now the Power Finance Corporation, REC, the Rural Electrification Corporations, both of them put together will infuse liquidity of 90,000 crores to all the DISCOMs against all the receivables that they have. They're sitting there without getting paid. In turn, they are not able to pay the GENCOs. In turn, the GENCOs are wondering where they will have more money to pay for producing electricity. And at a time when we are talking about Atmanirbhar Bharat, at a time when we are also rightly claiming the credit for having made India a surplus power generating country, we've reached a stage where DISCOMs don't have money because they're sitting with receivables. So we are now making a provision, a one-time provision, for PFCs and RECs to infuse that money into the DISCOMs against their receivables, and who in turn, this will be done with the state issuing guarantees. The guarantee, the amount which is being infused on guarantees being given by states. Now, obviously, having received that infusion of money, the DISCOMs will pay the GENCOs. GENCOs in turn will clear their dues and keep the cycle moving. Now, what does this do to the customer? The customer, we want the benefit to be passed on to the customer. We are in fact telling the central public sector generation companies that they shall give rebate to those DISCOMs which shall pass these benefits to the final customer. So we are making it clear to the central public sector generation companies that on receiving the money from the DISCOMs, they should be able to pass it on again back to the consumers. So this is a one-time infusion of liquidity for cash-desperate DISCOMs.
बिजली वितरण कंपनियों की आय में जो भारी कमी आई है और लेनदारी जो इनके कई राज्यों से बढ़ी है, उसके कारण भी ये अभूतपूर्व नकदी प्रवाह की स्थिति इनको देखनी पड़ रही है। इन परिस्थितियों में आम उपभोक्ता को भी नुकसान ना हो, बिजली उत्पादन करने वाले भी और बिजली वितरण करने वाले भी इस अभूतपूर्व समस्या में कहीं उलझकर ना रह जाएं, इसके लिए 90,000 करोड़ रुपए का प्रावधान डिस्कॉम्स के लिए किया गया है, बिजली वितरण कंपनियों के लिए किया गया है। और ये 90,000 करोड़ रुपया जो बिजली वितरण कंपनियों को दिया जाएगा, वो पावर फाइनेंस कॉरपोरेशन और रूरल इलेक्ट्रिफिकेशन कॉरपोरेशन के माध्यम से दिया जाएगा।